This video is an infant car seat installation. We learn how to install an infant car seat using the latch system, also known as ISOFIX. And we finish with a great free and hands-on resource available on baby car seat, and we start right now. What is going on? Welcome to this infant car seat installation video. There are two main methods of baby car seat installation. One is using the vehicle seat belt, the other is using the latch or ISOFIX system. In this video, we cover how to install an infant car seat using the latch system. We also have another video on how to install an infant car seat using the seat belt. If you're interested in that video, put a link here and also in the description below. For now, let's focus on the latch system. Latch includes two lower anchors attachment and a top tether. The lower anchors are typically built into the crack between the seat back and the seat cushion. They are often hidden. There is usually some sort of labeling to help you find the anchors, such as a small plastic button. We don't need the top tether for infant car seat installation. The infant car seats are equipped with either push-on, hook style or rigid lower anchor attachment. They will attach to the lower anchors of the vehicle seat. Now let's demonstrate what we learned on an infant car seat. First, connect the lower anchor connectors on both sides. Make sure they are properly connected. Push down and forward on the seat to compress the seat cushion. This is an opportunity to use the extra weight that we recently gained to a good use. There is usually a handle. Use it to tighten the seat. By the way, if you haven't met, my name is Amir and this is my associate Ryan. If you're getting value out of this video, please give us a thumbs up. It is very helpful with the YouTube algorithm. In this channel, we cover baby related items like this video. For more like this, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you, and let's get back to the video. Do the inch test. The base on the seat should not move more than 1 inch side to side or front to back. Let's review the top 2 reminders when using the latch. Remember to not use the car seat belt to attach the baby car seat when using the lower anchor. It does not make it any safer. For most vehicles, the center seat does not have latch anchors. Hence, if you want to use latch, you probably should avoid the center seat. Latch connectors have a weight limit. So when the weight of the baby plus car seat exceed this limit, the car seat must be installed using the vehicle's own seat belt. This limit is typically 65 pounds. An important bonus point on a great resource that is available for us. Whether you just installed the car seat or need help installing or using one, get help at a car seat inspection station near you. Certified technicians will inspect your car seat free of charge in most cases and show you how to correctly install and use it. I put links on how to find a station near you for location in the US, Canada and the UK in the description below. Please leave a comment below on other locations or resources available for us and I make sure to add them to the list. Remember, this is not like getting an oil change on your car where you leave the car and go. Working with a certified technician is usually a one-to-one learning experience to make sure you get as much learning as possible through the session. Question for you. Have you ever tried these services? Yes, no, maybe? Leave a comment below and let me know. By the way, while the car seat industry is fairly regulated, each vehicle and car seat is somewhat different. Also, to make the matter more confusing, the regulations are of course not the same everywhere. So, it is important to review your vehicles and car seat manuals.